Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vitamin C face serum at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and 2 teaspoons of distilled water. It's crucial to use high-quality, fresh L-ascorbic acid for effectiveness. Also, prepare a small, dark glass bottle for storage to protect the serum from light degradation. This simple method ensures a fresh batch every time. Now, let's mix our serum. In a clean, small bowl, combine the 1/4 teaspoon of L-ascorbic acid powder with the 2 teaspoons of distilled water. Stir very gently until the powder is completely dissolved. It's important to ensure there are no undissolved particles. Next, add the 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a smooth, clear solution. This step is key for an even application. Once your serum is mixed, carefully transfer it into your dark glass dropper bottle. Proper storage is vital to maintain its potency. Keep your homemade vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place, ideally in the refrigerator, to extend its shelf life. Apply 2 to 3 drops to your clean, dry face and neck once daily, usually in the morning, before other moisturizers. Use it within 1 week for maximum benefits. Using a vitamin C serum offers fantastic benefits for your skin. It helps to brighten your complexion, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and significantly boosts collagen production, leading to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Remember to always do a patch test first to ensure no irritation occurs. For more great tips and to grab that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.